Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can access system settings, unlock your phone, and confirm you have device-level access. Once done, open Settings and tap Network and Internet or Connections depending on your Android skin. You do this because Wi-Fi history lives under Network Configuration or Saved Networks. If you have a search icon in Settings, type Wi-Fi to jump faster. Make sure your phone's Android version is noted. Manufacturers rename these menus, and that changes the next steps you'll follow. Now tap Wi-Fi, then Saved Networks or Manage Networks to access the core list. You'll see saved SSIDs. These represent networks your device has connected to previously. Once you spot an entry, long press it to open details like IP info, security type, and time of last connection when available. Some skins show timestamps. If your Android offers an export or share function, use it to back up the list. This matters because Android doesn't keep a centralized human-readable log. To finish, gather deeper evidence. Connect the phone to a computer and run ADB logcat to capture system Wi-Fi events, or use a file manager to inspect /data/misc/Wi-Fi, root required. You can also check your Google account's device activity or your router's admin page for connection history. These are independent sources. If you can't see expected entries, make sure location and necessary permissions are enabled, then retry. Without them, Android may restrict access to saved network details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.